Remix features over 20 light shows from Spin Master.
Sock 'em boppers, bop 'em once and
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Paulding County in northwest Georgia, eastern Polk County in northwest Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with strong rotation 8 miles southwest of Rockmart, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This dangerous storm could produce a tornado at any time. Other locations in the path of this storm include Oregon, Roswell, Dallas, Hiram, and Rockmart. This storm has produced a tornado touchdown and golf ball-size hail in Polk County. If you see wind damage, large hail or significant flooding, wait until after the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466.